How to make your TikTok account private. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to make your TikTok account private, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I need to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone. Now when I'm on the app, I need to click right here to go to my profile. And now when I've done that, I need to click on the try-bar symbol in the top right corner. Then we need to click on settings and privacy. After that, we need to click where it says privacy. In here, you can see that there's quite a lot of privacy settings, but the one we need to check is private account. What you need to do now to make your TikTok account private is to click right here. And now only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos, but your existing followers will still be able to see your videos, just so you know. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.